In a quiet workshop, a dusty antique typewriter hums as an AI assistant guides the technician through a careful diagnosis. First, it checks ribbon tension, then tests the return springs, explaining how wear shows up as sticky keys. Next, the AI recommends a gentle brush and a drop of cleaner, preserving patina while avoiding metal fatigue. With precise lubrication, every lever moves smoothly, and the typewriter seems to exhale life as ink flows. The takeaway is clear patience and tiny adjustments that turn an abandoned relic into a reliable storyteller.